The 7-segment display, SSD, consists of 7 LEDs arranged in a rectangular fashion. Each of the 7 LEDs is called a segment because when illuminated the segment forms part of a numerical digit, both decimal and hex, to be displayed. An additional 8th LED is sometimes used within the same package, thus allowing the indication of a decimal point, dp, when 2 or more 7-segment displays are connected together to display numbers greater than 10. Each one of the 7 LEDs in the display is given a positional segment with one of its connection pins being brought straight out of the rectangular plastic package. This then allows us to display each of the 10 decimal digits 0 through to 9 on the same 7-segment display. There are 2 types of SSD, the common cathode, and the common anode. In a common cathode SSD, all the cathode connections of the LED segments are joined together to logic, 0, or ground. The individual segments are illuminated by application of a high, or logic, 1, signal via a current limiting resistor to forward bias the individual anode terminals, A to G. While in the common anode, or CA, all the anode connections of the LED segments are joined together to logic, 1. The individual segments are illuminated by applying a ground, logic, 0, or low, signal via a suitable current limiting resistor to the cathode of the particular segment, A to G. The number 8 is displayed when the power is given to all the segments, and if you disconnect the power for G, then it displays the number 0. In a 7-segment display, power, or voltage, at different pins can be applied at the same time, so we can form combinations of display numerical from 0 to 9. Since 7-segment displays cannot form alphabets like X and Z, so it cannot be used for the alphabet and they can be used only for displaying decimal numerical magnitudes. However, 7-segment displays can form alphabets A, B, C, D, E, and F, so they can also be used for representing each display unit as usually has a dot point, dp. The display point could be located either towards the left or towards the right of the display pattern. This type of pattern can be used to display numerals from 0 to 9 and letters from to F hexadecimal digits. The SSDs are used in the following: digital calculators, electronic meters, digital clocks, scoreboards, clock radios, elevator floor indicator,